Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for education. Notion offers a powerful, flexible workspace to manage your entire academic journey. It helps you organize notes, track assignments, and collaborate on projects with ease. Imagine having all your course materials, study plans, and group work in one intuitive platform. This tool can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your learning process, making your educational experience much more organized and less stressful. Let's dive into streamlining your studies with Notion. You can create powerful databases to manage all your assignments, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Link your notes directly to specific courses or topics, building a comprehensive knowledge base that grows with you. Imagine having every piece of information interconnected and easily searchable. This structured approach helps you stay on top of your workload and prepare thoroughly for every examination. Notion truly shines when it comes to collaborative learning. You can easily share pages and databases with your study groups, fostering a seamless environment for teamwork. Assign tasks, track individual progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page for group projects. Imagine collecting all your research materials and providing direct feedback within a single, shared space. This makes working together much more efficient and productive for everyone involved. Finally, let's talk about customizing your Notion workspace to fit your unique needs. Explore the vast library of templates designed for various academic purposes, from lecture notes to thesis planning. You can integrate Notion with other essential tools, enhancing its functionality even further. Dive into advanced features like linked databases and relations to create a truly powerful system. Personalize your pages with custom icons and cover images, making your learning environment uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.